Jupiter, a name that echoes through millennia, a beacon in the night sky that has fascinated humanity for centuries. A celestial titan draped in swirling clouds of gas, its atmosphere a mesmerizing dance of colors and storms. This giant, more massive than all other planets in our solar system combined, is more than just a beautiful sight. It is a colossus that commands respect and awe. It's a cosmic guardian, a silent protector watching over Earth, shielding us from potential cosmic threats. Its immense gravity, a force unseen yet ever-present, shapes the cosmic landscape around us, influencing the orbits of countless celestial bodies. Jupiter's story is not just about its size or beauty, it's a tale of power and influence in the vast expanse of space. It's about the role it plays in the grand cosmic ballet, a dance of gravity and motion that has unfolded for billions of years, choreographing the movements of its many moons. This gas giant, with its swirling storms and bands of color, holds the key to understanding the delicate balance of our solar system, a balance that sustains life on Earth. And perhaps it holds the key to our very existence, a silent sentinel in the night sky. Imagine a cosmic billiard table, where asteroids and comets hurtle through the vast emptiness of space, moving in seemingly random directions. Now, picture Jupiter, the largest ball on the table, its gravity a powerful force influencing everything around it, like a giant magnet in space. This is the reality of our solar system, where Jupiter's immense gravitational pull plays a crucial role. Jupiter's gravity acts like an invisible hand, tugging at space objects, altering their trajectories and sometimes even capturing them. Sometimes it pulls them into itself, a fiery end for these cosmic wanderers as they burn up in Jupiter's thick atmosphere. Other times, it deflects them, sending them careening off in new directions, altering their paths dramatically. These actions, repeated countless times over billions of years, have shaped the very structure of our solar system, influencing the formation and evolution of planets and other celestial bodies. The asteroid belt, a collection of rocky debris between Mars and Jupiter, is thought to be sculpted by Jupiter's gravity, preventing these rocks from coalescing into a planet. This gravitational influence extends far beyond the asteroid belt, impacting the paths of comets from the outer reaches of our solar system, guiding them towards the inner planets. In 1994, the world watched in awe as comet Shoemaker-Levy 9, torn apart by Jupiter's gravity, collided with the giant planet. This wasn't just a celestial spectacle, it was a stark reminder of Jupiter's power. Over the course of 6 days, 21 fragments of the comet slammed into Jupiter's atmosphere, creating scars larger than the Earth itself. The impacts released energy equivalent to millions of atomic bombs, a testament to the destructive potential of these cosmic events. Shoemaker-Levy 9 provided a dramatic demonstration of Jupiter's role as a cosmic protector. Had those comet fragments struck Earth, the consequences would have been catastrophic. Instead, Jupiter took the hit, a silent guardian shielding us from harm. Section 4. The double-edged sword of Jupiter's protection. While Jupiter's gravity undoubtedly acts as a shield, deflecting many potential threats, it's not a perfect system. The same gravitational force that pulls objects away from Earth can also redirect them towards us. Like a cosmic game of pinball, Jupiter can send asteroids and comets hurtling inwards, setting them on a collision course with our planet. This duality makes Jupiter's role in our cosmic neighborhood complex and fascinating. The debate among scientists continues. Some argue that Jupiter's protective influence outweighs any potential dangers, while others point to the possibility of Jupiter-induced impacts as a cause for concern. The reality is likely a complex interplay of both, a delicate balance between protection and peril. Section 5. Jupiter's enduring impact on Earth. As we gaze up at Jupiter, a bright beacon in our night sky, we are filled with wonder and curiosity. We are reminded of the intricate cosmic dance that connects us all, a dance that has been ongoing for billions of years. Jupiter, the guardian giant, has shaped our solar system in profound ways and continues to influence the fate of our planet with its immense gravitational pull. Whether it's deflecting a deadly comet from a collision course with Earth, or potentially sending an asteroid our way, Jupiter's role is pivotal. Jupiter's presence is a constant reminder of the dynamic and often unpredictable nature of our universe, a universe full of mysteries. Understanding Jupiter's role is not just an academic exercise, it is a quest for knowledge that has practical implications. It's crucial for comprehending our place in the cosmos and for ensuring the safety of our planet, and for safeguarding our future generations from cosmic threats. The more we learn about this gas giant, the more we appreciate its role in the solar system. The more we understand the delicate balance that sustains life on our pale blue dot, the better we can protect it.